Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Pixel Watch 2, a highly anticipated device from Google. While there's a lot to love about it, there are a few aspects that have left me less than impressed. Stick around and I'll show you the 3 things that I dislike about the Pixel Watch 2. First on my list is the lack of being able to wirelessly charge the watch without the 4-pin charger, such as a Qi wireless charging device or a third-party device such as another phone or cable. Despite its promising features, the Pixel Watch 2 falls short when it comes to options for wireless charging. Another issue I've encountered is the lack of customizations. Unlike some other smartwatches on the market, the Pixel Watch 2 doesn't offer much in the way of customizing screen layout. This lack of ability to customize the app drawer, such as a grid view, other than the list, is a bit disappointing and leaves me reaching for my Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Lastly, let's talk about the size offerings, or lack of. While the Pixel Watch 2 looks sleek and stylish, the lack of size options means this watch will not fit all wrist sizes. 41mm is the only size offered on both Pixel Watch 1 and 2. Hopefully Google, with their next 3rd generation, will offer various sizes, such as Samsung does with the Galaxy Watch series. Here is a size comparison with the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic in 47mm. As you can see, the 41mm Pixel Watch 2 is much smaller in size and is not going to be comfortable on all wrists. To give you an idea of size comparison, here are some other popular smartwatches on the market. This is the Garmin Epix 2. We then have the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. And then we have the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic in 47mm. Out of the 4, the Google Pixel Watch 2 is the smallest of all of these watches. So there you have it, my 3 major gripes with the Pixel Watch 2. Despite these issues, it's essential to remember that every device has its pros and cons. I hope this video provided you with valuable insight. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.